This question is from pre-calculus, AP pre-calculus, and it says, find the area of the figure if the units are in miles. You should have to use both formulas for area, side angle side, that means law of cosine, and Heron's formula in your process for solving. Work will be checked for use of both formulas. So I'm going to have to use, first I can find the area of this triangle down here. Well, actually, side angle side, I'm sorry, it's not law of cosine. It's 1/2 AB sine of the angle that's included between them. That would be the area of that lower triangle. Then I'd have to use the law of cosine to find x. So I'm going to use 1/2 times 7 times 8 times cosine, sine rather, of 110 degrees. And that's going to be the area, I'll call it, of the triangle on the left, or lower, whichever one. Now I'm going to do that here. I'm going to put A sub lower equals 1/2 times 8 times 7 times sine of 110 degrees. I wrote degrees on my paper, so I remember in my calculator I have to be in degree mode, which I am. So that's A1. It's about 26.31139. It's approximately 26.31139. And that's area of lower, of left triangle. Now I need x. So I'm going to use the law of cosine to find x. And let me see what that would be. It would be x squared equals the other two sides squared, 7 squared, add them together, plus 8 squared, minus 2 times 7 times 8 times cosine of the angle. And then if I want x, it's going to be the square root of all of that. 7 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 7 times 8. That's 7 times 8 is 56 times 2 is 28. Cosine 110 degrees. And I don't know, I'll call that, I guess I'll call that just x1. x1 equals, I'm storing these in variables so that I can easily use them later. 7 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 7 times 8, whoops, times cosine 110. Okay, so then that's that number. That's x1. I'll call this x1. I'm just going to write it, and that's side x. Equals, and it's approximately 12.3, approximately 12.3. But on my calculator, I'm going to use the entire value. So that's x is 12.3. So I can find Heron's formula. I'm going to find the semi-perimeter equals, and it's going to be 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 plus x, whatever that is, divided by 2. So it's equals 9 plus 6 plus approximately 12.3 divided by 2, and it equals, so I'm going to do the semi-perimeter, I'll call that S1, or I think I can just call it S, equals 9 plus 6 plus x1, and then that whole thing, this whole part, has to be divided by 2. Divided by 2. And it's approximately 13.65. 13, I need more room, 0.65. So now I'm going to find, this is the area of the left. I have to add it to the area of the right. And so area right triangle yes, I'll put right side triangle equals square root of, it's about 13.65 times 13.65 minus 9 times 13.65 minus 6. I need more room, always more room, times 13.65 minus, and it's approximately 12.3. And so now I'll do this here. I have my S, so I'll call this area right triangle, R equals the square root of S times S minus 6 times S minus 9 times S minus x1, And that comes out to about 25.60, approximately 25.60. So the area of the whole figure, area equals area of the left triangle plus area of right equals approximately, now I'm going to just write these numbers, 26.31139, 26.31139 plus 25.6, but I'm going to do it exactly on here, area left. So now I want area left, I want sub L plus area sub R, and it equals approximately 51.91, or approximately 51.91 square miles. Is it in miles? Yes, it's in miles. So that's it, 51.91 square miles.